What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Kasey Freeman, and obviously I'm back like up here, but I wanted to do a quick video about why my social media is all over the place. So if you guys know me, you know I love social media, but I also love to experiment on social media and try all the things. Like I Google all of the new analytics and all of that. So I'm trying to grow my social media in 2023, and here's why I am just throwing things at the wall and seeing what sticks. Because before, I would try to make all of my social media super cohesive, and like whatever was on my Instagram is on my TikTok, is on my YouTube. And I'm trying to, now that I'm like, you know, full-time in real estate, I have more time to do content the way I want to, and I am realizing what does well on what platform. So that's why like my YouTube even seems like all over the place, because I'm just trying to see what works where and how it works, and what is it that I like will fit into a certain space on social media, so that because like before it was like you would search and see what type of topics are doing well on the platform, and then you would do videos based off of that like topic. But I don't like, just because I know those topics and can speak on them doesn't mean that I am passionate about maintaining a channel like that. So I'm really just trying to see what works for me. And I love social media, I love fashion, I love, you know, doing like giving advice and talking in general. So what I have noticed on my social media, particularly on Instagram so far, is that, well, I guess it also relates to my YouTube channel as well. What does really well for me are fashion like focused videos. Like my last like little fashion haul on YouTube got like over 12,000 views, and I was like, what the heck? Like this wasn't even great quality. So I'm filming another one right now, like as I'm doing multiple videos, so that I can create multiple content while I already have my hair, makeup, and outfit on, and then use it, you know, however I need to, just like typical. And I'm also like trying to start talking more about like what I know about marketing and different things like that, to see how that does on social media, or if I should make that more of just like an email newsletter based type platform, or if that should stay like on LinkedIn, or if it could work here on YouTube, different things like that. So this is going to be a year of experimenting and seeing what works, and I don't want to like say, oh, I only want to do videos on fashion, because honestly it's an expensive habit to have. And so I don't really just want to focus just on fashion. But if like that is something that I'm passionate about, I'd love to explore to see where that goes. But also like I'm really passionate about marketing. I really love makeup. I don't really always do it, but when I do it, I be putting it on. Like, look, my face is beat, baby. It don't even matter. Okay, so that's what I've noticed like across my platform so far with being consistent. Also, I've had Instagram like ask if I'm gonna do the reel bonuses. Like, so basically it's a bonus for using like posting more reels. And now that I have the time to do them, I'm gonna try and see what happens and see how that works. Because if a platform gives you the opportunity to do something and you genuinely want to grow, they're giving you the tools for free. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. I have 24 more days maybe to create as many reels, like up to 150 reels. I don't know who making that many reels in a month, but it won't be me. So that's that. And on YouTube, I'm really trying to just be consistent with posting at some point in time. And I know I'm down here, and that was just so rude, but I'm just trying to be consistent with at least having some content. So I make designated days of content and write down like what type of content I'm going to talk about and my Notion. And sometimes I script and sometimes I don't. I feel like I'm a better like freestyler than a note taker. But just like during this experimentation process, there are some people that need scripts, there are some people that need bullet points, and then there are some people that, hopefully that's me, that's a freestyler. But I like to have a topic and kind of like where I'm going, like in my mind. Another thing I'm trying to do on YouTube in particular is try something new every time I upload content. So every time I'm trying to get better in one certain area, instead of saying, oh, like I didn't hit every single area this time, so I'm not gonna post, but instead it's like, okay, well, at least this topic was really good, the lighting for this video was really good, and now I'm trying to like incorporate like making better thumbnails and doing better with like titling and making it a title that somebody actually wants to watch. So I'm working on that. And with my reels, I'm actually spending more time with editing them and trying the transitions. And I actually really like my last reel, so go check it out on my Instagram and tell me what you think, because like I really like tried. But I'm all like, if I can just get 1% better every single day, then at the end of next year I'll be 365% better. And so that's what the approach I want to take, like in my life, in my career, and on social media, and see where it takes me, because obviously you need social media right now, and if you don't have social media, then you know, you're dead in the water. But yeah, that's kind of what I've noticed so far with experimenting on social media with my platforms, and just what I've been noticing about the kind of content that I'm putting out. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.